everybody, this is Jaydah, and today me and my Mimi and I are going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul, and we're going to be filling up a 100-gallon grow bag. So stay tuned for that, and hope you guys enjoy.
Good morning, family. This is Linda. I am in my garden early in the morning, and I'm taking up all of my morning glories and all of my zennas. Yeah, they was over here in this area. I have 2 blueberry bushes in this little bed, and matter of fact, they're about to put on some leaves. But and I also have my peach tree in this bed also. But I took all those flowers up just to get this bed nice and cleaned. And of course, yeah, they will be growing back, of course. But I did do a lot of cleaning in my garden this morning. But I did get a call from Jaydah this morning. Yeah. So this is my peach tree. And as you can see, there is a limb growing on this thing. I didn't see it because the zennas were so big. But I cut it off, and yep, I put it in some water. Yeah, we'll see what happens. But anyway, guys, I put that in that water, and I also put some holes in some of my 17-gallon containers. I have about 7 or 8 that I never put holes in, right? So that's what I'm doing here this morning. I'm just getting a lot of them ready for this gardening season. I am so excited about it. But as I say, Jaydah texted me this morning. She's taking some online classes because of, yeah, y'all know the school thing. But anyway, she will be here after she get out of class. But anyway, guys, let's get started. All right, Jaydah, go ahead. Jaydah say, I got it.
Oh wait, I don't want to roll over this.
The kohlrabi leaves.
Hold up. Let's see if I actually got it.
There you go. There you go, Jaydah. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. All right. So we're filling up this grow bag right here.
Wait a minute now, hold up.
Wait a minute. All right, we are mixing.
Yep.
So this right now, this is just, where's that bag? Okay. So we have this bone and blood, and we have some garden lime in here. Some toner is in here. Yeah, that's it. Oh, garden lime is in here. I said that?
Yeah.
Okay, is in here. And this is just black cow. Nothing else yet. So we have this. Also, we're going to add into the mix. Of course, that's my black cow bag. And that's my baby. We'll be back, y'all. So I hear some people say that gardening is not work. What do you say? Do you think gardening is work?
Most definitely, because we are trying currently to fill a 100-gallon bag.
Right.
If you don't know what 100 gallons is, 1 gallon times 100. It's a lot. If it's just like a pot or something, it's still kind of hard because you still have to fertilize it, you still have to remember to do all this. So technically it is work, but this is also hard too.
It's hard?
Yeah.
So let me share with you all what we're doing right now. So this is one of my new 100-gallon grow bags, right? So we have 1 bag of Kellogg's compost in it. This is my 2nd bag of black cow. It's not half of this peat moss. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good stuff here.
And really,
It's it's not that easy.
Yeah. So I'm going to get at least 2 more bags of compost and another bag of topsoil, and we're going to add more peat moss. All right, Jaydah, what you say about this?
Okay, so I feel there is types of gardening that are easy. Like maybe if you in school and you're learning about photosynthesis, aka me, and sometimes you get to get a little plastic bag with your wet paper towel. It's pretty easy and all this stuff. So it's kind of easy doing that. But when you have a huge garden like this, it's not that easy.
No.
And it's working on one little bag, and we have 3, I believe.
Yeah, 3
Plus-
new bags.
Plus the whole entire garden. So
Yeah.
I mean, hey, is it really that easy? I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's work, y'all. It's work. We're using hand trucks and all kinds of stuff here to get to make sure we get this soil and we don't strain our backs and stuff, right?
Yeah. You know, and also, it is work. Yeah, but with work, you have to take breaks. So this is why we take a break. So by the time we're done, we're not like, ow, it hurts, ow, it hurts, ow, it hurts. You know, we could just be like, okay,
Yeah.
a little sore, but it's fine.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah. Because we're gonna eat good, huh, baby?
Yep. We're gonna have some nice, good vegetables and fruit.
So in this grow bag, Jaydah and I gonna drop something that my niece and nephew sent to me.
Yeah.
Yes, so we're gonna drop onions in this grow bag. It's gonna be filled with onions. Cheryl and Chris over there at Back to Our Roots Homestead sent me these onions, so I am excited to get them in this grow bag. And so this is what this grow bag is going to be for. Now, I don't know if Jaydah and I are going to get to drop them, and it'll be in this video, but it will be in the next video or so.
Yeah.
But she and I is getting these together. Let's get back to work, right?
Yeah. Gloves.
Gloves, yes.
Yes.
All right, guys, we'll be back.
Hello everyone, this is Jaydah, and today I wanted to share with you guys a Dollar Tree haul. So, this is, I would say normal, but there's a couple of things that are, thrown in there. So yeah, let's get straight to it. I am not really sure how to say this, but I can explain how to say it. I mean,
It's a cover for your plants. That's
Yeah.
what it is.
it's a cover for your plants. So if you have like small plants in the winter and you don't want them to either like blow away or you just want to keep them safe, you could put them under here. And also they have this little like
Vent.
vent thing.
Mhm.
And if you want them to have like just a little bit of opening, you could do like that. If you don't want them to have any, you could do like that. And if you
Yeah.
want them to have full, you could do like that.
Cool.
So yeah, this is pretty cool.
So it's definitely for the fall, and I know Nikki, the OCD's chick, have some in her garden for her small plants for when it is cold outside.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm gonna use them, but I got them.
I wish they had a human in.
So this is not a Dollar Tree product, right?
So this specific product, like I said, there's a couple of things thrown in here. So this particular item is not from Dollar Tree, but it is an Arabica coffee plant.
Right, and I purchased that. You all know, I shared it with you all. I purchased it from Rose Garden Center.
Yeah.
And they have about how many plants in there, Jaydah?
They have about 6 or 7 plants in here.
For $4.99, guys.
That's like not even a deal at that point. Like,
Right.
this is just,
A steal.
yeah.
It's not a deal, it's a steal. Right. But anyway, that is what I purchased from Rose Garden Center, y'all.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we are back at the Dollar Tree, and right here we have some garden edges.
Mm-hmm.
It's basically like a little fence for your plants, and it kind of contains them in a certain place, basically.
Yeah.
So we have 2 of them, as you can see.
Mm-hmm.
And they're green. On the package it has black ones. I'm not sure if there was more colors, but these are green ones.
Yeah.
So
That's cool. All right.
this rake and shovel.
Which they are as I shared in the video, they are so much bigger than the previous years. I truly like them.
Yeah, I feel that you could like sometimes maybe if you have like a small one, you might have to go around a small plant. I mean, a small
Area.
area.
Yeah.
You might have to go around the plant like this. At this point, you could just scoop up the whole pot at this point.
Exactly.
Like this is just wonderful.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah,
I
and
think
this
it is
rake.
too. Yeah, that is really cool for even just making lines. As a matter of fact, we're going to use that today because you and I, my baby, we are going to drop some onions today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Drop some onions.
So we're going to use this for spacing. We're going to use that for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a pretty good rake. It's about like a half of a foot.
And it's sturdy.
Yeah.
It's sturdy.
Very sturdy.
Come through, Dollar Tree.
Yeah. And we have this little thermometer.
Yeah.
It's not little, but it's a thermometer.
Yeah.
And this is just for outside, just to see the temperature.
Yeah. So I'm going to just keep it. I used to have one on my tree.
Exactly.
Sadly, the
Yeah.
tree is gone, but I'm going to put it up out here on the fence.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully that doesn't go.
Well, we hope.
Yeah. We'll hope.
Okay, show this blue stuff right here.
Okay. So here,
Yeah.
that's two of them. Well, I'm
Tarps.
gonna give you all of them.
Yeah.
Okay?
And I always buy a lot of these because I use a lot of them. And that's these tarps. I love them, y'all.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4 tarps.
Mm-hmm.
Or 4 little bags of tarps. Yeah. These are the blue ones.
I like to use them to, I spread them out on the ground. I move plants. I mix up my soil on them. Yeah, that's what I do with them. I love them. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now we have the classic. We just have little plant starters. Not really plant starters, just little
See,
tiny-
yeah, we got to drop seeds today, too. So get ready, baby.
So these are like little pots so you could drop your seeds in.
Yeah.
If you just want to like start your seeds off in here, this is what you do.
Yep, this is the time to drop your seeds, too.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
By the way, it is January 13th and it is currently very sunny and it's kind of hot. So that's just how our weather is, if you didn't know. And we also have these even smaller pots.
Yeah, these are clay pots.
Yeah, these are clay.
Really nice. I like them. I start a lot of plants in them.
Also, there's like a little hole in them, so they're specifically meant for plants.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And I feel like if you had like a plant that you know probably wouldn't like grow too big, but you want to start it off here, this is it.
Yeah.
But if you want to let a plant grow a little bit more, you
Yeah.
do these. And here we have just a regular old 2 buckets. I did not realize that was 2. That we have these 2 red buckets. I'm not gonna take them apart because you know it's a little hard. But we have these 2 red buckets.
Yeah,
They have a nice size on them,
they do.
and they have, I don't know if this is specifically for like planting, but they have a little place to put a hole in.
Yeah,
So yeah.
that's nice. I like them.
Okay, so now, oh wait, never mind. We have some more gardening things. Let's put the rest of this stuff over here.
Yeah.
Alright, so we have these buckets and they have string on them so that you can hang them.
Yeah, just hanging baskets. And I like to hang some of my flowers up, which is really cool.
So we have a orange one. The strings are stuck together. It's fine. We have like a greenish, like a light green.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have
It's like a bone color, maybe.
Yeah, like a bonish.
Watch that Arabica.
Whoa. Then we have this almost bluish green.
Yeah,
We have
yeah.
2 of those.
2. Yeah.
So yeah, we have orange, a bone color, and we have this very vibrant, almost blue green.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I think that is
The feeders.
the feed. Oh yeah, we have some bird feeders.
We do have about 6 of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, we're just add to the collection.
Every year, huh?
Yeah, we just add a little
I
bit
throw a
more.
lot away and just purchase more. I love them.
They're the perfect thing.
Yeah.
For...
So, okay, share that right there.
Okay, so we have some different things here. Here we have some like snack holders.
Let me hold one while you take it, where you open it. So
Okay,
this is from where?
the Dollar Tree. Okay.
Dollar Tree.
So it has this one little compartment. You can put whatever you'd like,
Mm-hmm.
and then there's a lid for it. So let me put the lid. Okay. Then you have another little container where you could put like maybe sauces or anything. And then there's another container, and this is kind of like the lid for this container.
That is really cool. I like that.
Yeah, and as advertised on the sticker, it's like they have like vegetables and like
Let me get a good
celery
look to it.
and all this stuff. And I believe that's hummus, so you can like, you get the gist of it basically.
Yeah, either, like they have carrots and celery there, and they have like maybe some ranch dressing, and on this one they have like nuts in it, but you could put whatever you want. And it's just a complete container for snacks.
Yeah.
Snacks.
Snacks. We have a light blue one and a like pink.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so don't mind my shirt change, but we have two more items. The first item is this oil pastel set. By the way, this is from Dollar Tree. This is from their, I think it's called like their added section.
Yeah, it goes up to $5.
Okay.
Right, it's from $1.25 to $5. Yeah. All right.
So that's a 12 pack. They have a couple of the colors. They have white, they have yellow. I mean, yeah, they have yellow, they have orange, they have red, they have pink, there's dark blue, light blue, a lighter dark blue. And they have some green, dark green, and some more colors down there.
That's great for cool projects, huh?
Yeah.
And this one, I like this
We have this acrylic paint.
one. Yeah.
Actually, this one has the exact names of the colors.
We don't have to name them, just
These
that's
colors.
the colors. That's the colors.
So if you may see a little bit of paintings from me. So just know I'm probably using these.
Yeah.
And I think that's about all we have.
That's it. Yeah.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. And I don't know if I'm gonna be featured in the video anymore, but if not, later y'all.
All right, guys. So this is where Jaydah and I have gotten to today with this 100-gallon grow bag. We will finish it tomorrow. Yeah, it is. It's late, and I need to go down and purchase more soil. Plus, I'm hungry, y'all. So I'm gonna go inside, and we're gonna cook some chicken breasts and broccoli, but we're gonna have some big baby too with it. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you all so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a wonderful evening. Later, y'all.